Hello guys, I'm coming to for you a very important tutorial about Google AdSense, how to add a payment method in Google AdSense. So you you can easily earn from Google AdSense to create a YouTube channel or blog spot, free blog spot. Uh, so if you have a good traffic, a good content, so Google AdSense is waiting for you. You can create a Google AdSense, Google blog spot or YouTube channel. So I'm coming from you have to add an payment method in your Google AdSense account. So you have to first log in your Google AdSense in your PC. So then you can see the sidebar, the option of the payments. You have to click there, and then you will see the payments info. I already added payment method in my Google AdSense. You can see here, and this is the transactions history of my Google AdSense. That's not really I got the paid. That's only for the transaction histories of my last month's earnings. So my now running is my main balance is 27.40 USD. You can see there, and in the below October and September earning history. So now I am going to show you how you can add an payment method in Google AdSense. You have to click on the manage payment methods. You will see the add an payment method in your Google AdSense if you have don't add any payment method. So I am watching this manage cause I have already added payment method in Google AdSense. So you have to click on the add payment method. Okay, your cause I already you can easily edit or remove your payment method from your Google AdSense. So don't worry, just keep patience and focus on your information, what you are in putting the Google AdSense. So if you put wrong information in Google AdSense, Google can disable your account from Google AdSense, so you will be no longer to earn from Google AdSense. So you have to carefully put your informations in Google payment methods. So it's very important and very critical, not critical, very easy. So I am click on the add new payment method in Google AdSense. So you have to click on the first option, because second option is check off Google. That's a very critical way. So we can easily get paid from the first option. The you can skip the uh, first option of beneficiary ID. That's optional, you can skip this. Then you have to fill up this form. First you have to type your name as your bank account on the capital letter, must be capital letter. I will show you an example how can you put here. So my name is Sham Shorkar. I will type here Sham Shorkar in capital letter. Mind it, in capital letter. Don't small letter or mixed. So it's only accept capital letters. Then bank name. My bank name is Taj Bangla Bank. Then SWIFT code. Yes, I will show you how can get your SWIFT code of your bank. So you have to search on the Google in your country's bank SWIFT code, as like USA, Canada, India. That's my country is Bangladesh. So I will search here in BD in shortcut Bangladesh BD uh, bank swift codes. So when I this is my Das Bangla swift code, but I want to get it from a official site. So I'm searching is BD, BD, that's meant Bangladesh bank swift code. I'm just searching here and I got the websites, and I'm click on the website, and that then I in these sites. Now here you can see lots of bank names which are receive online payments. So here also one thing, you can see your country currencies rate. Here is US dollar. In $1 equal to 85.22 taka, euro 100 taka, 1 GBP, that means British pound, 117.25 taka. That's the highest currency in the world. So now I have to find my bank name in the list, and left side bar you can see the bank names, and the site you also they put their swift code. Easily you can take from here. So I have to find my first bank names. My bank name is Das Bangla Bank, and I got this bank. Yeah, I am you can easily take from here, but I want to take it from inside. So I click on the bank name, then you can see bank details in this page. So I have to found the swift code. Yes, I got it. Yeah, here is the swift code in the upper. I will scroll up. There is stock code, not stock code, swift code. Yes, I got the swift code, and we can easily copy from it. I'm trying to mark that swift code, but the showing for logging, I log out from the apps. So we can easily copy from here the swift code, and uh, take it from here and paste on the Google AdSense form. So you can easily that's here I'm copying from here this swift code. Yes, I copied, and going to AdSense page, and here, not here, swift code in the upper. Yeah, here is I paste there, and this is the bank account. I example I just type it. I will cancel that from, because I have already added payment method. This option showing for I already added primary payment method. So I can change from here too. So I can select because I already added payment method, you can see here. So now I am going back in the AdSense home page. The minimum earning 100 USD, then you can withdraw from USA, withdraw from AdSense. Otherwise you can't. You have to earn minimum 100 USD from YouTube or your blog site for withdraw. This is my blog. Please visit here and follow my page blog. I'm requesting you. And this is my channel. This is my AdSense homepage. You can see here my earnings of the last month. I'm just refreshing it. Yes, this is my channel, YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like, comments. Thanks for watching my tutorial. If you need any help, so you can comment or and if you want any specific tutorial, so please comment in my video. I will put next.